Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier account supports voicemail control. This matters because some carriers manage it remotely. Once ready, make sure your iPhone is on cellular service, not just Wi-Fi, and unlocked. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. You'll see either visual voicemail or a prompt to call your voicemail. If visual voicemail appears, proceed here. If not, you'll call your carrier's voicemail number to change settings. You can disable voicemail two ways: through visual voicemail or via your carrier. If you have visual voicemail, tap Greeting, then choose Default or an empty custom greeting to discourage messages. However, this doesn't fully stop storage. Once done, call your carrier's voicemail number and clearly request voicemail service be deactivated on your line. Ask them to remove voicemail from your account. Make sure to also check settings phone for call forwarding or dial codes your carrier uses to block voice. You finish by testing. Call your number from another phone to confirm callers no longer reach voicemail. If messages still route to voicemail, contact your carrier and ask them to refresh provisioning or remove the voicemail feature on their backend. This is often the step that completes the change. If problems persist, make sure to reset network settings via Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone Reset network settings as a last resort. Then retest to verify voicemail is stopped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.